Teacher. Good morning, class. Today we will talk about our daily routine. Sam. What time do you wake up? Sam. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wash my face and get ready. Teacher. Very good. Lena. What do you do after you wake up? Lena. I have breakfast. I drink milk and eat bread. Teacher. Nice. Sam. How do you go to school? Sam. I go to school by bus. Teacher. Lena. What do you do at school? Lena. I have morning classes. Then I play with my friends at recess. Teacher. What do you do at lunchtime? Sam. I eat my lunch. Sometimes I eat rice and fruit. Teacher. Good. After lunch? Lena. We have afternoon lessons. Then I go home. Teacher. What do you do at home? Sam. I do my homework. After that, I play outside. Teacher. Lena. What do you do in the evening? Lena. I eat dinner with my family. Then I read a book. Teacher. Do you sleep early? Sam. Yes. I get ready for bed. I sleep at 9 p.m. Teacher. Very good, both of you. That is a healthy routine.